Okay, we're going to do another 2-point perspective. This time we're going to repeat the cabinet that we did in the 1-point perspective activity. So if you just have a look down the bottom left-hand corner, I've just put what it looked like as 1-point perspective and now we've got it drawn as a 2-point perspective. So we'll just start by putting in our horizon line across the back there. The higher up the page we put it, the more we're going to be looking on top of our project. So that's our vanishing points. Out to the side we've got two of them, being 2-point perspective. And we'll just turn this one round to 90 degrees. Just give ourselves a little bit of a line that we'll be working to for the height of our cabinet. And then we'll start to recede some of those lines back. Reduce the height of it a little bit, looks a bit big. So just getting the general outline of your project, and if it's a little bit hit and miss, it doesn't really matter. They're just going to act as construction lines for us. So coming back to 90 degrees to give us the end point. That can then come back over to the vanishing point on the left. And just looking at the depth of our cabinet. Okay, so there's the cabinet to begin with. I'm just going to have a few little construction lines on here, so I'm going to come up about this far for our little legs. I might also look at dividing this line into 3s roughly for our doors. So I'll just start by receding back for the height of the actual cabinet. And we'll get some lines going for the cupboard doors. And then I'm also just going to give my cupboard a little bit of thickness like the other one had, just in terms of the front edge. So I'll put in a few construction lines. It'll be a little bit thinner at the back than what it would be at the front, just because as the lines recede backwards, your eye naturally make it look a little bit thinner. And you can see that when we put our lines in. And just try and go equal distance for both. And then we're just going to go through and start to put a little bit of our outline on there. So my stylus pen doesn't seem to want to work very nicely today. And just a darker outline from the outside. I'm just moving the page around. Try and do these lines. And you can use the ruler as well, just to enhance that a little bit. And then we're just going to go through and we're just going to put our little legs in there. So I'm just going to start with some construction lines. They have a bit of an angle on them. Just line them in as well. And we might also just pop a couple of little handles on.